Hey, this is Jazz, and I'm going to show you how to pack your bags like a pro. So first and foremost, I use my Notion page to create a universal packing list. This is just generally what I need to have. I'll check things off, and then when I get back, I uncheck everything else, and then I can reuse it again. I usually try to find one all-in-one outfit, anything that I know that I can wear more than once, anything that is easy to put on and put off, because that way you're not piecing together outfits, because that takes a lot of time, and time is valuable. I know, like, if you're a man, sometimes it could be that, like, if you're at a business event wearing a suit and just maybe changing the tie. Another really great piece for me is just a simple pair of black pants. I mean, I'm not really a fan of skirts and dresses, but a nice pair of black pants pretty much goes with everything. And then I usually pick one pair of nice shoes that I can wear pretty much any time, anywhere. And then I might pick some comfortable shoes, like everyday shoes. This is usually for the airport, or if I know I'm going to be walking a lot. I always check my toiletry items to see if they're under 4 ounces. I think it's 3.8 is TSA approved. So I'll usually go through those, what I need. And then for anything that is over that amount, I usually will separate them into separate containers. So usually I'll use a travel bag for my toiletries, and as you can see, I have plastic bags for liquids, and I usually keep, like, this is an old body wash container, lotion bottle for my cleanser. Then I have a little spray bottle which I use for my toner. This is actually old vitamin containers that I use for my hair products. And then also for any vitamins or supplements that I'm taking, I usually will put those in depending on how many days or which days I'm going to be traveling. You can either go to the grocery store, buy, or make your own food so that you don't have to deal with airport food. And the other thing is any liquids that I know for a fact that I cannot put on my carry-on, I will put those in my luggage or in a checked bag, send those to your hotel. And I also learned a trick to put water bottles in the freezer overnight, so that way that solid ice will actually get past TSA. And then usually I'll keep a reusable water bottle so when it melts I can actually use it. Just before you go, you should probably make your bed, clean your sheets, do your laundry, put dishes where they belong. And I think this is just easier because that way when you get back, you're not like, oh my gosh, look at all this stuff I have to do. Trash that is taken out, because trash can smell if you've been gone for a while. Clean your stove tops, anything, so that you're just not stressed when you come back. And then you're ready to go. Bye.